Sri Gokulam Public School, Chengalpet. Class 6. Computer Science by R. Vasudevan. Chapter 1, Fundamentals of Computer. Computer. A computer is a programming device with a set of instructions to perform specific tasks and generate results at a very high speed. All numbers, text, sound, images, animation and videos are used and input are called data. Information. All numbers, text, sound, images, animation and video we get as output are called information. We can play games if you have internet connection. Then we can read the latest news, live sports scores, read the articles, etc. Even we can watch TV on our computer. Parts of a computer. There are two parts of computer: hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware represents the physical and tangible components of a computer. That is, the components that can be seen and touched. Following are the examples of hardware parts of the computer. Devices: keyboard, mouse and joysticks. Output devices: monitor, printer. Secondary storage device: hard disk, CD and DVD. Internal components: CPU, motherboard, RAM. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer about the task to be performed and how the tasks are to be performed. Characteristics of computers. There are 8 types of characteristics of computers: automatic, speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, power of, remembering number of IQ, no feelings. Automatic. Most of his algorithm is automatic and computer is most famous for its automatic characteristics. Speed is another great characteristics of computer. It can work very fast. Accuracy. A computer can calculate accurately. Diligence. A computer can work restless. Versatility. Wide range of uses in our life. Power off. Day by day, capability of data storage of computer is increasing. Remembering, no IQ. A computer has no IQ. It cannot work by itself without any command given by human beings. No feeling. Like human computer cannot measure itself whether something right or wrong things. Application of computer: communication, home, entertainment, advertisements, sports, education, science and engineering, government and healthcare. Communication. Communication is a way to convey a message or email, chatting, Usenet, FTP, Telnet and video conferencing. Home. Computers have now become an integral part of home equipments also. At home, people use computers to play games, to maintain the home accounts, for communicating with friends and relatives via internet connections, for paying bills like telephone bills, EB bills, and so on, for education and learning, etc. Entertainment. Computer also play a very important role in the entertainment of human beings. Nowadays, computers can be used to watch television program on the internet. People can watch movies, listen to music, play games. Advertisements. Computer is a powerful advertising media. Advertisements can be displayed on different websites. Electronic mails can be sent and reviews of your product by different customers can be posted. Sports. A computer can be used to watch a game, view the scores of the game, improve the game, play games like chess, car racing, etc. and also to create games. They are also used for the purpose of training players. Education. For importing education, teaching and research, different kinds of problems quickly and efficiently by using computer. Science and engineering. For performing complex scientific calculation, for designing and making drawing, for simulating and testing the design, complex scientific application, the launch of the rockets, space exploration, etc. Government. Computers play an important role in government services. Some major fields in these categories are budgets, sales tax department, income tax department, computation of male-female ratio, computerization of voter list, computerization of PAN card, weather forecasting and Aadhaar card, so on. Healthcare. Following are some major fields of healthcare in which computers are used. Diagnostic system. Computers are used to collect data and identify the cases of illness. Lab diagnostic system. All tests can be done and the reports are prepared by computer. Patient monitoring system. These are used to check the patient's signs for abnormals such as cardiac arrest, ECG, etc. Pharma information system. Computer is used to check drug labels, expiry dates, harmful code effects, etc. Surgery. Nowadays, computers are also used in performing surgery. How does computer work? Input, process, output. Input, keyboard, scanner, mouse. Process, motherboard, RAM, everything. And output, monitor, printer, speaker. Input. Input is anything you wish to enable in a system for some type of work. A variety of sources are used to input: keyboard, scanner, microphone, mouse, even another computer. Process. The computer processes the input data. It performs some actions on the data by using the instruction or programs given by the user of the data. The action should be an arithmetic or logical calculation, editing, modifying a document, etc. During processing, the data, instructions and the output are stored temporarily in the computer's main memory. Output. The output is the result generated after the processing of data. The output may be in the form of text, sound, image, document, etc. The computer may display the output on a monitor, send output to the printer for printing, play the music as output. Storage. The input data, instructions and output are stored permanently in the secondary storage device like disk or tape. The stored data can be retrieved later whenever needed. Summary. A computer can complete the work of 10 people or more in a fraction of seconds. The hardware needs to be instructed about the task to be performed. Data and users are also the part of a computer system. A computer can calculate accurately. Like any machine, computer has no feelings. A computer is a powerful advertising media. The government uses computer to manage its own operation and also for e-governance. The concept of generating output information from the input data is also referred to as input process output concept. More to know. Data and users are also the part of a computer system. Data are isolated values or raw facts which by themselves do not have much significance. Factopedia. The word computer was first used in a book called The Young Man's Gleanings in 1613. Tip. We can right click on the desktop and click on personalize. Use time. Which was the world's first stored program computer developed in 1948? Thank you.